Thank you, Dhruva. Thank you so much and wish you good luck. Yeah, something. Yeah, thank you so much and wish you good luck, Dhruva. And now, so డార్క్ దేవాగా మనందరి ముందుకి రాబోతున్న సంజయ్ దత్ గారిని మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము. కేజీఎఫ్లో అదిరాగా చూసాము, నా డార్క్ దేవాగా చూడబోతున్నాం కేడీలో. సో ఎస్,
नमस्कार। नमस्कार। सबसे पहले मैं क्षमा मांगता हूँ, माफ़ी मांगता हूँ कि हमने आप सबका वेट करवाया। वी वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट एंड थैंक यू फॉर द पेशेंस एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस अमेजिंग टीज़र। मैं ज़्यादा आप लोगों को बोर नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक वेंकी सर and Supreet for being such wonderful producers. In लोगों ने they've got the passion to make good cinema. I want to thank Prem sir. I think Prem sir is I think he's my chota brother, like Dhruva. He's the most humble, the most passionate director. He's the sweetest man I've met, and I want to thank him. Reshma, the most beautiful and little darling, and I was so happy to work with her. Dhruva, मेरा छोटा भाई, ये तो कंधे पे लेके घूमता है। हाँ, वो तलवार नहीं बॉडी लेके घूमता है यार। अपन तो तलवार लेके घूमता है, समझा? But superb, thank you Dhruva for all the love. Thank you brother. And शिल्पा जी, द मोस्ट अमेजिंग, वैसे ही हैं और हमेशा वैसे ही रहेंगे। एंड आई एम सो प्राउड टू टू वर्क विद हर। वैसे ही लगती हैं जैसे कौन सी पिक्चर थी, आई लरे जंग। थैंक्स शिल्पा, थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू ऑल। नमस्कार, थैंक यू।
सर इतने सालों के बाद काम कर रहे हैं फिर टुगेदर, सो यू एंड शिल्पा जी वर्किंग आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम, सो कुछ बदला है सर? वैसे ही है तो वो
हाँ,
तो ठीक है, और कुछ तो
शिल्पा
बदला?
वैसे ही है। और मैं भी कभी कभी अगर कुछ मिस्टेक करता हूँ, एक लुक दे देता हूँ कि ठीक है कि नहीं। आई डू दैट।
पता नहीं सबको करेक्ट किया, मतलब आपका सबको मतलब कुछ तो मिला है टिप।
संजू और मैं बिल्कुल वैसे नहीं है जैसे पहले थे, हम लोग बेटर हो गए। टू द मीडिया एंड ऑल the fans that I reached late, the driver lost his way. And also I was late already, but then he lost his way. But
because you are inside, that's the problems ma'am. शिल्पा जी कार में है, ड्राइवर तो खो जाता है, रास्ता हो जाता है, ऐसा गलती तो
so I started my when I, apart from Hindi films, the first other language film that I did was Telugu. I started my career with Raghavendra Rao Garu with Saas Virdu Sagar Kanya over here. And since then I've always got lot of love from Hyderabad and the fans here. So thank you so much. I hope you give the same love to our beautiful film KD. Want to say thank you to Prem sir for thinking of me and thinking I could play the part of Satyavati. Supreet, who has been an amazing, amazing producer. Venki, who's not here with us, put in not just his money, but his passion into the movie. And I feel so happy to be working with Dhruva for the first time, and Reshma. And last but not the least, Sanju sir. He is truly legendary, and we've worked in many films before, and all of them have been huge hits. And we expect that this one also continues with the trend. बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है, सबको बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, बहुत ही प्यार से बनाई है पिक्चर, एंड बहुत मासी है, एक्शन है, ड्रामा है, इमोशन है, वो सारी चीज़ें हैं जो एक कमर्शियल मासी फिल्म में होनी चाहिए। और बहुत दिल से बनाया है प्रेम सर ने, तो मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी को ये पिक्चर बहुत पसंद आए। थैंक यू
शिल्पा जी, थैंक यू सो मच। Now, Kalidasa Dhruva Saja will speak now. So, yes, firstly, congratulations, Dhruvaji.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? టీజర్ ఎలా ఉంది? బాగుందా? దయచేసి క్షమించండి. వీ వర్ లేట్, సో దయచేసి డోంట్ మైండ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో నాకు తెలుగు అంతా బాగా రాదు, అండ్ ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. అండ్ I won't take much time. I just want to thank the entire team of our movie KD, especially the cameraman Williams, and my producer Suprit sir, and Venkat sir, my music director Arjun Janya sir, especially my director Prem sir, and my heroine Reshma madam. And I'm very, very happy that I worked with Mr. Legend, and he is my favorite actor. Not only my favorite actor, Action King Arjun Sarja's favorite actor, Sanju Baba, and my brother's favorite actor, my grandmother's favorite actor, and might be my daughter's favorite actor also in future. So thank you so much for the opportunity. That's all I can say. And I worked with Shilpa ma'am. And I always like working with these people because they'll teach me. If I'm doing something wrong, they'll say, no, you have to do like this. Especially Shilpa ma'am told me twice, saying, no, you have to little less. No, you can. So she'll be correcting. So I learned a lot of things from ma'am. And thank you so much. It means a lot. And దయచేసి రిలీజ్ తర్వాత దయచేసి విత్ ఫ్యామిలీ మూవీ చూసి ఆశీర్వాదం చేయండి. ఇట్స్ అ రిక్వెస్ట్. అండ్ ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు సే ఐ లవ్ యూ. జై ఆంజనేయ.